Tapos?
Bye, guys.
Okay. Okay, go.
Guys.
No. Hi, guys.
Hi, guys.
Okay. So now I'm gonna ask you what is the sound of the animals, okay? Okay, so let's start with the cow. What's the sound of the cow? Okay. What is the sound of the duck?
Quack.
The dog?
Woof.
The cat? What?
Yeah.
Meow. Okay. The tiger?
Wow.
Okay. Good. The elephant?
Trumpet.
Okay. What about the monkey?
Chick, chick.
Chick. The dog?
Woof, woof.
Okay. What else? What about? I don't know now. Okay, thank you, Mr. Chandler. What is your name?
Action.
Chandler. Okay, go get the ball. Okay. That's Daddy's ball. No. Where is Daddy? Where is Daddy? Ha? Asan yung Daddy mo? US? Saan yung Daddy mo?
USA.
Okay.
Rippy.
Anong ginawa sa USA? Nag-work.
Yung work.
Okay. Oh.
Up.
Okay, go. Up. Okay.
Boy.
Okay, and then what's next? What's next? B. Go up. Okay.
B. Bell.
Okay.
Ding
Ding
dong.
dong.
Call.
Okay.
And look.
Okay.
B.
Okay. Hat.
What
about this one?
Monkey.
Here.
Elephant.
Okay, and then next is this one.
Flowers.
Okay. Then next, this one.
Goat.
Goat.
Pig.
Okay. This one muna.
True.
Okay. What about this one now? Dito muna tayo. What is this? Ink. This one.
Jerry. Strawberry.
Okay. Jam. Strawberry jam. This one.
Kite.
Good. This one.
Water.
Ladder. This one.
Oh,
Okay. This one muna. We're not finished yet. This one. This one.
Monkey.
Monkey. This one. Net. Okay. This one.
Octopus.
Okay. This one.
Pig.
Okay. This one. This one. What is that?
Queen.
Oh, queen. This one.
I like that queen.
Okay.
And this too.
Yes. This one,
I
anak.
like that rainbow.
Rainbow. What about the next one? S. What is this? 4.
I don't.
S is 4. S is 4. What is this? Huh? What you doing? Okay. What is this?
What is this?
Clouds. This one is clouds, and then this one is rainbow. What about this one?
I colors in rainbow have a
Yeah, they have different colors.
Have a blue, have a yellow, have a red.
Oh, wow, plenty of colors. This one.
purple. Orange.
Okay, may orange pa. Okay. Eto, nak. Ano to, nak? This one muna tayo. Hoy! Ito ba? Na, wala na si turtle. Okay. Ano na? So, next na tayo. Wala na.
Fountain.
Okay, this one.
Sun.
Oh, this one.
Sun. W.
That's not W, that's U. Okay. Okay, para kasing W ang U. Nalilito siya. This one, nak. Ano to?
Jong. Violin.
Ay, violin. Wow.
Here's violin, a purple.
Ah, purple. Oh, this one is purple color. And what is this?
Superman.
Ano siya sila? Kala niya to, dati guys, ang sinasabi niya is Spider-Man. Kasi may web. Ano? Spider web. About this one, what about this one? Xylophone.
Xylophone.
Okay. This one, yo-yo. And then this one, what letter is this? This one, the last one, what is the letter? What letter is this? The last letter in the alphabet, what is that? Z. As zipper. Okay, good job, Starman. Say, hello.
My mommy.
Ba't ganyan ang buhok mo? Nakagising lang namin, guys. Good morning, everyone.
And my other one.
Okay, what is that? is this? What is this?
Watermelon.
Watermelon. that one. Okay. What about this one? This one?
Strawberry.
Strawberry. This one?
Cabbage.
Carrots. This one? What is this? Torman. What's this? Corn. What about this one? This one? Torman. What about this one? What is this? Huh? What is that? What is that? Eggplant. What is that? What is that?
Eggplant.
Eggplant. Okay.